Most SUVs cost a fortune to maintain, but not these. Some are so reliable, they've passed 400,000 miles with just oil changes and basic upkeep. In this video, we're counting down 13 SUVs that almost never break down. They're affordable to own, cheap to insure, and built to last a lifetime. And at the end, we'll expose 2 SUVs you should avoid at all costs, no matter how cool they look. Let's get into it. Number 13, Nissan Xterra, the rugged underdog that refuses to die. If you've never heard much about the Nissan Xterra, that's because it doesn't try to impress with luxury. But if you're after rugged reliability, this SUV is a hidden gem. Built between 2005 and 2015, the Xterra was designed for adventure and engineered to last. Its 4.0-liter V6 is simple, tough, and known to hit 250,000 to 300,000 miles with just routine care. No fancy electronics, no delicate parts, just old-school durability. It rides on a body-on-frame chassis, the same kind you'd find on a truck, making it ideal for people who live in harsh climates, take on rough terrain, or just want an SUV that won't quit when the road gets bad. Even better, because it's underrated, used Xterras are dirt cheap compared to rivals. You get serious off-road capability and bulletproof mechanics without paying Jeep Wrangler prices, and with fewer problems. If you want a no-nonsense SUV that quietly outlasts the competition, the Xterra is your go-anywhere, never-give-up companion. Number 12, Lexus RX, luxury that lasts. Most luxury SUVs look good for a few years, then leave you drowning in repair bills. But the Lexus RX flips that script, combining comfort, style, and unbeatable reliability. Under the hood, it shares DNA with Toyota's legendary engines, meaning it's not just smooth to drive, but engineered to run past 300,000 miles without drama. And we're not talking about just the gas versions. Even the RX hybrid models have proven to be extremely dependable with low battery failure rates. What makes the RX special is that you get real luxury, plush interiors, quiet cabins, premium features, but without the sky-high maintenance costs of a BMW or Audi. The resale value? Incredible. Lexus RXs hold their value like a fortress, and insurance rates stay reasonable thanks to its stellar safety ratings. In short, the RX is the SUV for people who want long-term peace of mind without giving up comfort. If you want a luxury ride that won't leave you stranded, this is it.
Number 11, Toyota 4Runner, the indestructible off-road icon. The Toyota 4Runner isn't just tough, it's legendary. Ask any off-roader, overlander, or weekend warrior what SUV they trust, and this name will come up fast. Built on a body-on-frame truck chassis, the 4Runner is made to handle the roughest terrain, snow, mud, rocks, you name it, and it still drives home without a complaint. Its 4.0-liter V6 engine is old school in the best way. No turbo, no complicated electronics, just pure, reliable power. Owners routinely report 300,000 miles with only basic maintenance like oil changes and brake pads. No wonder you still see 20-year-old 4Runners on the road fetching premium prices. And here's the best part. Toyota never tried to fix what wasn't broken. Unlike other brands that swapped out reliability for high-tech gimmicks, the 4Runner stayed true to its roots. And that's why it's still a go-to for families, adventurers, and even rescue teams. If you want an SUV that's built like a tank and lasts like a Toyota, the 4Runner is your ride or die. Number 10, Toyota Land Cruiser, built to outlive you. The Toyota Land Cruiser isn't just an SUV, it's a global legend. From deserts in the Middle East to jungles in Africa, this vehicle has earned a reputation as the most reliable off-road machine ever made. Why? Because it's engineered to run 500,000 miles or more, often crossing the million-mile mark in extreme environments and still going strong. That's not a myth. That's proven Toyota durability in the harshest conditions on Earth. Underneath the luxury trim, you'll find an overbuilt powertrain, heavy-duty suspension, and a drivetrain so strong it's used by militaries and humanitarian organizations around the world. Yes, it drinks fuel, about 15 to 17 mpgs, and it's not cheap. But here's the trade-off. You may never need to replace it. Seriously. Some owners drive their Land Cruisers for 25 years and still sell them for top dollar. Even used models hold astronomical resale value, and owners rave about the comfort, quality, and that unshakable feeling of trust behind the wheel. If you want an SUV that can survive natural disasters, global travel, or your in-laws' driveway, the Land Cruiser is the king.
Number 9. Subaru Outback, the original adventure wagon that never quits. The Subaru Outback might look like a humble family hauler, but don't be fooled. This thing is a quiet warrior on the road, in the snow, and even on dirt trails. Back in the 90s, Subaru took a station wagon, slapped on rugged cladding, added symmetrical all-wheel drive, and accidentally created the first real crossover SUV. The result? An SUV that can tackle light off-roading, winter storms, and highway miles without breaking a sweat. Most Outbacks easily cruise past 200,000, 300,000 miles, and with routine oil changes and brake jobs, many hit even higher numbers, all while staying out of the repair shop. Mechanics respect them, insurance companies love them thanks to IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus ratings, and because all-wheel drive is standard, you don't have to pay extra for all-weather confidence. Want more performance? The 2.4-liter turbo engine delivers 260 HP without sacrificing durability, making it fun and reliable. The Smart Pick? 2020 models, modern tech, upgraded safety features, and legendary Subaru reliability at a reasonable used price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly adventure SUV that just keeps going, the Outback delivers. Number 8. Toyota RAV4, the set-it-and-forget-it SUV. The Toyota RAV4 isn't just the best-selling SUV in America, it's one of the most reliable vehicles ever built, and that's no accident. From the early 2000s to today, the RAV4 has built a reputation for being simple, dependable, and unkillable. It's not flashy, but it just works, year after year, mile after mile. Older models routinely hit 300,000 miles without major repairs. Some 2010s are still running on their original drivetrains. No drama, no breakdowns. Financially, it's a dream. RAV4s hold their value like gold. Used ones often sell for nearly as much as new SUVs from other brands because people know they last. That's what we call depreciation protection. Performance? It's not thrilling. Most use a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that's more reliable mule than racehorse. But what you lose in speed, you gain in resale, fuel savings, and peace of mind. Think of the RAV4 as a financial safety net on wheels. It saves you money on gas, insurance, repairs, and resale, all while getting the job done every single day.
Number 7. Acura RDX, luxury that doesn't break or break the bank. While most people chasing luxury go for BMWs or Audis, the Acura RDX flies under the radar, and that's exactly why smart buyers love it. From 2013 to 2018, the RDX came with a 3.5-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission, the same rock-solid combo found in the Honda Pilot. That means you're getting Honda reliability wrapped in a luxury package. Owners routinely report 150,000 plus miles with nothing but oil changes, brakes, and tires. Try getting that from a German SUV without a $5,000 repair bill. Here's the secret. It's basically a Honda Pilot in a suit and tie. You get leather seats, great sound insulation, modern tech, all without the maintenance nightmares of its European rivals. And the financial bonus? The RDX holds value surprisingly well. In fact, a used RDX often costs less than a Toyota RAV4, but offers more space, better features, and premium comfort. Even insurance companies sometimes classify it differently, meaning lower premiums than you'd pay on some budget brand SUVs. If you want a luxury SUV that feels expensive but drives like a maintenance-free Honda, the RDX is a hidden gem. Number 6. Hyundai Santa Fe, warranty-backed reliability you can actually afford. Not long ago, Hyundai wasn't exactly the first name people associated with durability, but the Santa Fe changed that narrative fast. Here's the secret. Hyundai backs the Santa Fe with an industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's basically a built-in extended warranty, giving you peace of mind from day one. And guess what? It's not just marketing. Real-world owners consistently report 200,000-plus miles with just the basics: oil, brakes, and tires. No drama, no expensive failures. It's also more affordable than most of its rivals in both price and long-term ownership. Fuel economy is solid, insurance is cheaper than most, and depreciation has improved significantly in recent years, making it a smart choice if you're budget-conscious and reliability-focused. The interior? Comfortable and tech-packed. The ride? Smooth and family-friendly. And best of all, no nasty repair surprises lurking under the hood. So if you're looking for a bulletproof daily SUV that won't crush your savings, the Santa Fe is a sleeper pick you shouldn't overlook.
Number 5. Lexus LX, the luxury tank that lasts a lifetime. The Lexus LX isn't just a luxury SUV. It's a Toyota Land Cruiser in a tuxedo. And if you know anything about Land Cruisers, you know they're built to outlast most people's mortgages. Underneath the polished Lexus badge, you get the same bulletproof drivetrain, the same off-road capability, and the same ability to rack up 400,000 to 500,000 miles, sometimes even more. In parts of Africa and the Middle East, LX models have crossed 1 million miles and are still working. That's not just rare, it's legendary. Yes, the LX isn't fuel efficient, expect 15 to 17 mpg, but in return, you get reliability that crushes the competition, comfort that rivals high-end German brands, and depreciation that barely exists. Used LXs command eye-watering resale prices because buyers know you may never need another SUV again. And while a Mercedes G-Wagon might drop $2,500 repair bills on you just for fun, the LX just keeps moving with basic maintenance and unmatched durability. If you want the ultimate combo of luxury and longevity, the Lexus LX is as close to indestructible as it gets. Number 4. Mazda CX-5, where reliability meets style. Most compact SUVs feel like boring appliances, but the Mazda CX-5 brings something rare to the table: style, sharp handling, and bulletproof dependability. While rivals focus on gimmicks, the CX-5 delivers true driving enjoyment. Tight steering, premium-feeling interiors, and sporty design make it feel more like a luxury crossover, but without the luxury maintenance bills. And here's what sets it apart: no CVT transmission. Instead, you get a 6-speed automatic that's both smoother and far more reliable long-term. That alone can save you thousands in repairs. With proper maintenance, the CX-5 cruises past 200,000 miles, and it boasts a 4.5 out of 5 reliability rating from RepairPal. Real-world owners consistently back that up. Yes, it's a bit smaller than a RAV4 or CR-V, but the premium feel and strong resale value more than make up for it. Annual maintenance costs are also among the lowest in its class. If you want an SUV that's fun to drive, affordable to own, and proven to last, the Mazda CX-5 hits the sweet spot.
Number 3. Subaru Forester, practically bulletproof. The Subaru Forester is one of the few compact SUVs that has achieved near mythical status in reliability circles. In fact, Consumer Reports gave it a 98 out of 100 reliability score, almost unheard of in the car world. This SUV is built for people who want function over flash, but with comfort, safety, and go-anywhere capability built in. Like most Subarus, it comes with standard symmetrical all-wheel drive, giving you year-round traction without paying extra. Yes, Subaru's CVT transmissions used to be a concern, but here's the truth: they fixed it. As long as you change the CVT fluid every 30,000 miles, you'll avoid the horror stories and enjoy smooth, long-term performance. Foresters commonly pass 200,000 miles, with owners reporting even higher numbers with just routine maintenance. And thanks to Subaru's loyal fan base and stellar safety ratings, resale value stays strong. Fuel efficiency is also impressive for an AWD vehicle, often outperforming bigger midsize SUVs. In short, if you want a safe, stable, and super reliable SUV that holds its value and thrives in bad weather, the Forester is a rock-solid choice.
These 13 SUVs aren't just reliable, they're built to last. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more smart car tips every week. Drive smart, save big.